Summer 2025 is coming, guys, and I have the perfect adventure motorhome for you. This is the Swift Trekker. It is a 2025 model. It boasts of this fantastic colour choice and combination of the matte grey. It has the exclusive Swift Trekker decals that you can see from the front, side and of the rear of this fantastic vehicle. It does sit in the 2-litre eco diesel engine. It is available in a manual and automatic gearbox transmission. It has 170 brake horsepower, providing the perfect combination of fuel efficiency and performance. Benefits from the 16-inch gloss black alloys that I believe are probably the perfect combination against this van. It has LED daytime running lights to the front and rear parking aids. It also has the fuel omnister awning, which is very stable, easy to erect, and probably the perfect combination for these upcoming summer 2025 nights. It also has the fly screen protector here, just keeping out any of those unwanted visitors these upcoming summer nights. Let me take you inside and show you the layout of this van. Inside the very spacious Swift Trekker, you get the extendable table, complements very well against those swivel captain's chairs. It also has the new 10-inch touchscreen monitor with the new automatic swivel dial. Overhead storage inside and above, and as we go up to the top there, the pop top roof benefits from the double bed in the top there and offers great space, lighting, and obviously when fantastic airy skylight offers the perfect outdoor living space. It has the 12-volt fridge, easily accessible. Alternate charging points there. It also benefits from the dual hob and sink, and again, fantastic storage space can be found just below, and above has excellent cupboard storage space just above the hob and sink. It gives you that fresh and wastewater accessibility. Additional storage just below this dual hob and sink, and again, it is really, the finishing inside is really exquisite. You have got the Duvet mattress and double bed in the back, also providing you the additional garage space that I mentioned earlier in this video with additional storage.